One person was killed and 3 others were injured in a blast in Afghanistan's capital Kabul on Saturday evening. The blast from a sticky bomb planted on a minibus occurred on the Kot-e-Sangi neighbourhood near an enclave on the historically persecuted Shia Hazara community, which has been frequently targeted by ISIS in the past. The terrorist group ISIS claimed responsibility for the attack. The Islamic State in Khorasan province, the ISKP, an affiliate of the ISIS Central, targeting primarily Central Asia, is active in Afghanistan and continues to claim victims through terrorist plots.